So right now I'm on my way to look at the R32. And as you guys can see, I'm in my work truck because I just so happen to have a route in Rhode Island today, so I don't have to actually come back here after work. So this is just so convenient. Now then, it is the R32 gtst with an rb25 swap, which is something that I really wanted because one, that's what I would do if I had an R32. Two, I love R32. It's my favorite car since I was little. Well, like top 5. But I'm pretty sure, like, at least, especially looks wise, it's one of my favorite cars. E36 is up there, Ferrari F40, blah blah blah. But R32, I could definitely say is one of my top absolute cars ever. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we get there. What you guys can see is slammed Miata right here. I'm pretty sure that guy drifts. It sits very nicely. And there it is. Right over there. Oh my god. Let's see.
I don't have much time with this second.
Let's see. Sheesh. I always forget everything is on the opposite side. Okay, so this one has a single turbo conversion and a rb25 front mount filters and all that, and it's black. That's another thing that I actually do like, because a lot of them are not the black ones. There's a lot of like that gray kind of color. So yeah, doubled in Momo steering wheel. Damn, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. That's crazy. The interior is not too bad. Granted, basically all of this will be changed, but no. RBs. Like,
I had the
alright, so you guys saw the M3, the CLS55 AMG. Now you guys see the R32. So you guys just have to let me know what you think, and I'm gonna also be deciding and figuring out what I want to do, and then hopefully within like the next week we get into something new, because I'm tired of driving the damn Pathfinder. It's just not a fun car, and this car makes a lot of nice noises, so you know, can't complain about that. So I'll catch you guys later. I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but yeah, if this video is over, thanks for watching.